Hello friends, TechManPat here. I am so excited for this. This is the SuperZoom X3 by RealMe. I'm excited because I get to check this out first in Australia. Not literally first in the sense of like top of the list, but on the first day. I get to see something before release day, so I'm super excited. So let's get unboxing. Let's see what this new phone from RealMe, their flagship phone, looks like. Let's get an overview and then you'll see a review very soon this week. Friends, I am so excited, and huge thanks for RealMe for sending this phone over for review. Let's see what's inside. A very cool box. Let's open it up. I'm not going to read much of the back because I believe this was not the original, or this won't be the original packaging that will come with this phone. So I'm sort of keen to make sure that I get everything right. So on release date, I will do it. But we can check here that it does have a Snapdragon 855 Plus Hyper Boost, 120 Hz ultra smooth display, 64 megapixel all quad camera with 60x super zoom, hence the super zoom name. We've got 32 megapixel and plus 8 megapixel dual in display selfie. What? All right, I'm really keen to see what that actually means. Now this one is got 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. That's pretty huge. There we go. Hey, welcome to RealMe family. To the RealMe family? To RealMe family? I'm not sure. I'm not very good with spelling either. So what do we have in here? We have the case. Yes, I love a company that provides a free case. Sure, it's nothing that you're gonna, get your, get too excited or get compliments for, but a case, free, nonetheless, should be provided with every phone because remember, they're usually made of glass. So let's take that out. Actually, it's pretty big. This is pretty large. Before we go through to this, let's check what's actually coming in the box in the cables. So we've got a charger. Cool, very good. USB charger, looks pretty good, and it is fully Australian. So this is an Australian release, an Australian company, so they're actually quite new to the market, and I'm actually really excited about that because, hey, wouldn't it be nice to have a local phone, even though it might be manufactured somewhere else? At least it's marketed towards our country, our community, and everything that we want out of the phone. So I think this is a USB-C cable. Yes, it is. It's pretty cool. It's actually quite a hefty piece of cabling. So we'll put that to the side, and I believe it has a 30-watt charging power, 35 even. And we've got a little pin to undo the SIM card. So let's open this up. Ooh, it's white. Nice. Look at that. Wow. You can see the two cameras just over there. I can sort of give you an angle on it. It's a bit shiny. And I believe there is a protector on top. So do we take that off? Should we take that off? Are we allowed to take that off? I'm kind of worried nowadays about taking these covers. Let's have a look at the back. We've got a little sticker there. And look at that. How cool is that? That effect. It's like a pearl. It's like a colored pearl. It's really cool. We've got the RealMe logo there, and then we've got 3 cameras, and we've got, is that a LiDAR? I really want to know what this is, so we'll have to check it out. AI quad camera, so 4 cameras, and I do like it in a row like that. In a box, it just seems overly big on the iPhone, so this kind of looks quite sleek, and the corners are metal. We've got 2 buttons here. Looks like a volume up and down, and then the on button is right here. And actually, I believe, can we turn it on? Yes, we can. RealMe powered by Android. I believe this is a fingerprint button, but I will confirm that in a moment. I did see fingerprint on here, and I can't see it anywhere else. Might not be built in, so I'm hoping. There we go. I'm going to take this off. There we go. I like a phone without it. So there we go. English Australia. Select region, Australia, next. Look at that cutout. It actually looks pretty darn good. Like, you can't, it makes sense because all the items are just here, and putting it far to the left, I don't think it takes over too much of the actual screen real estate. That screen is beautiful. I think the resolution is definitely higher than 1080p. I haven't looked at documentation before this. I really wanted to get my sort of raw opinion on this. As you can see, you can actually see the screen nicely from all angles. There seems to be no discoloration as you go from any angle, which is fantastic. Angle viewing is great. I think that'll be a very nice highlight of this phone. So their UI is obviously their own skin on Android. we go. New phone tap. We don't want to migrate any data, but let's have a little bit of a movement. Wow, that's smooth. That's incredibly smooth. Now, obviously it comes with a few pre-installed things, but wow, that 120 Hertz. I don't know if it's at 120 Hertz. Let's check that out. Let's see if it is at 120 Hertz. Display and brightness must be in here. Dark mode. Yes, please. Look at that. That's so good. Let's have a look at the screen display. Maybe that's part of it. No. Auto brightness, auto screen, refresh rate. Here we go. Auto select. Let's select 120 Hertz. This is 120 Hertz refresh. Allow. We're just going to allow all this stuff. That's so smooth. Look at this. That's great. I'm not sure if you can see this on camera, but this is fantastic. Put the sound down a bit because we're getting notifications for some reason, but this is brilliant. Look at that, 120 Hertz. I'm going to keep it on 120 Hertz because I really want to see how long the battery lasts, and this looks incredible. Look at the speed of this. That is so good. That is fast. On, off, messages. Wow, that is speedy. Brilliant. That is brilliant. So what do we have here? Well, we've got 12 gigs of RAM, so obviously there's a lot of RAM in here. We've got a camera. Let's open up the camera and take a photo. Was it tap to wake, or do you have to go on the side? Oh, there it is. And unlock. Let's go to the camera. Terms of service, and that's a very clean camera. Let's take a photo. Brilliant. That was very quick. Look at that. Look at that brilliant photo. I really like it. I'm really excited. Friends, thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing and overview. Let's see what the review brings, and that should be out very soon. Cannot wait. I cannot wait to start using it. Thanks, folks. If you like this video, then tap that like button. If you'd like to see more, then please consider subscribing and supporting your Australian content and Australian phones. RealMe. Thanks for watching, and bye.